Here are some beautiful topics for morning assembly. Number 1. Spread your wings, embracing new beginnings. Number 2. The power of kindness, creating a ripple effect. Number 3. Unlock your potential. Number 4. The beauty of diversity. Number 5. The magic of gratitude, focusing on the good. Number 6. Be the change, making a positive impact. Number 7. The strength of unity, standing together. Number 8. The light within, shining bright in the world. Number 9. Dream big, chasing your aspirations. Number 10. The gift of forgiveness, letting go and moving forward. Number 11. The beauty of nature, learning from the world around us. Number 12. The power of words, using our voice for good. Number 13. The courage to try, overcoming fear and doubt. Number 14. The joy of learning, embracing curiosity and wonder. Number 15. The importance of empathy, understanding and supporting.